Okay, guys, so what we'll do is we'll just watch this little video with the instructions for a few more steps. I got lost, and that's why I stopped the last video. So we made the variable, and the next step is to click on tags. See how he has it clicked right here? And then we're going to select tags new. Let's see what he says next. Click new. Oh, that's even on the screen. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go back into Google Tag Manager and we'll select tags. And then it says view new, and the untitled tag is going to be called video action. All right, great. And then what we'll do is we'll click here on this thing to take us to the options. We'll select Universal Analytics. And it said here at the top to pick the track type. I think, I'm sorry, class, I have to go back in here and double check myself. So it says track type is event. So we'll go up here and we're going to select track type as event. And then the next thing that we're going to do is play the video a little bit longer. Okay, so we go back into the Google Analytics. We're going to put YouTube video as our thing here. And the action is video action. Do you see it? Do you see it? Video action up at the top. Okay, good. And then we go a little further.
Also have the option of selecting the video URL.
So this is the part where I was also confused. So we're going to select the label was video title, I think. Okay, so here it is, video title, no problem with that. But the last piece that he said to pick down here is the Google Analytics settings. So click on this, and we're going to pick new variable, and it's going to come up like this, and we have to put in our Google Analytics tracking code here. So this is something that you have to pick up when you first start using the Google Analytics. And mine just so happens to be UA 84706 503-1. All right, and so then we'll save this. I'm not sure that I want to name it this. Untitled variable. Let's see, what will we call this? We'll call it video action again. All right, we'll save that. Okay, so this isn't working, so we'll call this video for GA. What is it called? It's a variable for GA. I'm going to call it variable for GA. Okay, so no, you're supposed to call it. what he called it. GA tracking ID. Okay, well, anyway, we'll save this. And then the next part is to add the trigger. So let's just watch the video a little bit longer. Oh yeah, so it's saying add the trigger. So I'll go back here. I'll say add the trigger, and watch the video.
We need to select YouTube video as the trigger, and then we can configure the trigger to select all.
Okay.
Video as the trigger.
This is how he's so tricky. Over here is a plus sign that you can hardly see because it's off the screen. This one right here. So you click on that, and now we're ready to configure the trigger. So then the next thing, I guess, is click on this maybe. Let's see, does this look like his video? Yeah, okay. This is what I mean, class. Why make a video? I think I want to pick video something. YouTube video. Okay, now we're going to click all of these things down here, and then we're going to put 25 comma 50 comma 75. Okay, and then we will watch the video a little longer.
Videos. This helps ensure
Add the JavaScript, and then I'm going to save the trigger YouTube video. That sounds good. And then I'm going to save the, this must be the tag. And then the thing was to publish it. Does it say publish? Publish. Okay. Not sure whether we're even close, class, but let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. So I'm going to go to my Blogs at Baruch financial modeling. And he says to refresh the page. And then play the video. I didn't have Power Map installed on the instructors. All right, so then after I've done this, let's go to Google Analytics. I will sign into Google Analytics. And we'll go down here to events.
In Google Analytics. In the built-in YouTube trigger to set this up.
Okay, so it's home, then something like that. Okay, let's see. Home, custom, real time. Oh, okay. Real time, and then events. Oh, all right. Well, that's Google Analytics. That's just telling us that somebody's there on the site, which that's what I'm doing. So let's see. Events.
Built in Google Analytics. In the built-in YouTube trigger to set this data into Google Analytics.
Oh, sorry, Google Analytics. So then I believe that it should show up down here, class, but I must not have done it so well. But anyway, that's as far as I've gotten thus far. All right, so thank you for your time and attention. I'm signing off with this.